Today we're going to be looking at clothing in Spanish, and the word for clothing in Spanish is la ropa. Here are some vocabulary words that you can learn with me. La camisa, la camiseta, el suéter, los calcetines, el vestido, la falda, los pantalones, los zapatos, la chaqueta y los vaqueros.
Your turn to practice.
Okay.
Listen
now
as
you
I
can
say
read
each
it
word,
after you.
then repeat. La ropa, los pantalones, la camiseta, la camisa, la falda, los vaqueros, el suéter, la chaqueta, los zapatos, los calcetines, el vestido. Please continue to practice. You may replay this video as many times as you wish. Thanks for watching.